the staple, the keyboard just arrived. I just got this package. And let's open it up. Okay. Alright. Well. Alright. And here it is, folks. Wow, very nice box. Okay.
Coming round and now my vision is so clear. If I could change my state of mind, then I would disappear. The love I get from you is something I can't change. And I could let you slip away without a second glance. Why can't I read?
Alright, I just plugged it in, so I'm gonna turn off the lights and then show you the keyboard. Okay. That's our Max. You can see all the little keys. So medium, that's on low, that's off. There you go, that's max. And for reference, let me show you how small it is. I'll turn on the lights. Okay, this is ordinary lead pencil. Okay. The lead pencil is actually a bit taller because of that clip. That is very thin. Okay, something else I didn't know when I bought this was the software that it came with. I knew that it had all the drivers in this on this disc, but it also has this cool little feature. Let me show you. So on the keyboard, it's on F5. I don't know if you can see it. It's that little key right here, and it makes what like on just like on OS 10, how it makes all the windows go out. So I'm gonna show you right now. That's pretty cool. I thought for a PC that Logitech gives you, and then you can like hover around and then select any app you want. So, or program, if you want to call it a program, yeah. So it's pretty cool, pretty neat. And you can actually set these to do different, things if you want, using its the drivers that come with the CD.